guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and doing a quick review on the stroller that we ordered. So this stroller we ordered from this online store that I found, and the name of it is Quai, and it basically, I think it's like a store from China or from Japan. It's international, and I found really good reviews on the strollers, and I decided to buy this one. Nathan had one from Walmart, and I really liked how it would like fold and stuff, but I really didn't like how it wasn't like sturdy enough. Como que it felt like cheap plastic, so I'm really hoping that this one will be a little bit better. Shipping was pretty fast and everything, so we're just gonna see how it goes, and Sergio's gonna help me out. Obviously I can't, unbox it myself, but we're gonna see how we like it. So
and didn't you get it like
it's
okay. Didn't you get it like in payment plan?
Yeah, you can also choose to get it in, because it is a little bit pricey. It's $380 plus like the taxes and everything. It's probably like $400, so you're able to like pay it off in 4 payments of $100, and that was really good. That was something that we took advantage of, just because we do have a lot of things that we're paying off, that we're like buying, for the baby. So we wanted to like spread out the payments, and yeah, so we're done paying it. And yeah, so oh yeah, we just need one more payment, which is like in 2 days, huh? On April 2nd. Yeah. We already have it here with us, so we're really excited, and we're just gonna open it. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see if it looks like in the picture. I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, and then we'll see. Yeah. And then I'll also leave like all of the information down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. I know a lot of you were like curious to see what it looked like. So yeah. armarla by myself, so
Yeah.
So first the legs.
It looks pretty easy. They have like click on.
Do the wheels feel like sturdy?
And we got one of these strollers.
Yeah.
Yeah, huh? Like heavy? Oh, yeah. Compared to Nathan's
It's not
plastic
heavy
ones?
for me. It's not heavy for me.
Tiene la suciecita.
Mm.
Tiene polvito, mira. Good. Uh-oh.
It's okay. Pedro, no way. No, we're missing something good.
No, ya won't come up. Tiene amortiguadores esta madre.
¿Qué es eso?
Con
Do
brinque.
you want to get it?
Oh, God.
It's not a real carrot. It's not a real carrot. Yeah, put that lock.
This one, Nathan has it too, huh?
Yeah. Nathan's had it.
Yeah.
So that's that good. And now to sit on the
That?
this whole thing into this locking system mechanism. Snap.
Wow.
This.
Sergio wanted one like that, so I'm pretty sure he's happy right now.
Very happy.
Because he really liked the bassinet feature that
And we got the
Nathan's had.
Yeah, that one is comfortable for them too.
Because they can actually lay all the way back and they don't have to be on the car seat the whole time.
Yeah, we got car seat
Slide this out.
and this. I know what this
And you
is
grab
called.
this one and you put it this way.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Wow.
So it does have to be facing you.
Oh, it does?
Because it
Oh,
says right here, put this to the front.
okay.
So this one was, those arrows have to be out, so you always have to have it facing you. I don't know why.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Okay.
you put it on the car seat, the little one. Like a, you know?
Like a cover?
Yeah, I see.
Well, I'll probably have it covered right now. 'Cause I'll probably cover it anyways so that since we're gonna probably just have the car
Cover
seat
it.
ready for the hospital.
Ya te crees con tu nuevo stroller. ¿Está chida?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be embarrassed to push it?
No.
It's pink?
Así como está de perrón hasta con amortiguadores. Vergüenza no tengo nada. Estuvo, compas.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys liked our. All right, let's do an outro. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys liked our little unboxing. For us, we. How about the car seat? Is it good? Think it's heavy?
Ya está pesado.
Hey, pero no tiene base.
Base. ¿Cuál base?
Yeah, the car seats are supposed to have a base.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't. That's if you want to keep locking and unlocking it. Like, see, you just you could strap that to your car and you just snap it on.
I thought they were supposed to. Aren't they supposed to, like, out of the hospital, they check that if you have a base?
No. No, I don't think you need a base, babe. Damn,
Alright,
missed
well, can you pay attention?
it. Oh yeah, sorry.
Alright, guys, well, this was our little unboxing and review. Everything looks really good. We're really excited for everything, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything. Even it came, we were a little bit scared because it came from China.
Aunque no le entendí ni madre lo que decía ahí.
Pero he was able
The
to-
pictures, just the pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures are worth 1,000,000 words, 1,000 words, whatever they say.
And now we're just gonna wait for her arrival and use it on her. Obviously, she's not gonna be able to review it either. But I'm pretty sure she's gonna like it.
She's not even gonna know.
Yeah, ni vas a ver.
Como Nathan, hasta ahorita ni le hace de pedo con la otra roja.
Yeah.
Aunque ya no está roja, está morada.
It's all black. Because that one, we can't remove the cover, so we don't know
You
how.
could probably just scrub it, babe.
Yeah,
Yo que parto que si me pongo a limpiarla yo, nuevecita.
Yeah, I just have to scrub it. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave all of the details for the stroller system below.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, I think I'll just talk to you guys next time. Bye.